We've got a lot of problems, not only with the energy crisis that we're going through, but we've also got a water crisis.
Our populations are growing, our resources are dwindling.
We can't run our society without energy, and the question is, where are we going to find this energy? And
how do we supplement that with alternative energies?
The continuing demand for us to understand the Earth, from how our beaches are changing each day to how climate is changing.
Helping to prevent deaths from natural disasters, tsunamis, landslides, earthquakes.
As long as we're on this planet, we're going to need people to study it.
As geologists, we really get to study the Earth and try to be detectives to solve these mysteries.
I cannot think of a better time to be involved in the geosciences.
Geoscientists are making the world a better place through the work that they're doing.
Geologists touch every aspect of what Earth is, from the surface to the core.
It's the intermingling of all of the different sciences you have.
Chemistry, geology, physics, engineering.
Biology, math, geography, even anthropology and archaeology.
Anything from the physical makeup of the planet to geopolitical issues that our world faces today. It's all geosciences.
I've done geology standing in the middle of a river from a boat, up on the mountain, sitting at a computer. Some of it's being in a chemistry lab, running experiments, anywhere in the world.
The world is your laboratory. It's everywhere. It surrounds us. You can't get away from it.
And you're not limited to this Earth. You gotta look up too.
Now we can actually branch into space as well.
It's expanding at an exponential rate and only has room to grow.
There are things that we're working on today that 30 years ago, we never would have even imagined possible.
And it's fascinating.
You're dealing with real world scenarios. You can solve a problem, whether it's for a company, for a country, for mankind.
The work is really intriguing. I was like, oh, can I do that?
With my work travel, I've gotten to go to Africa and Europe and Central America.
I did field work in the Rocky Mountains. I went to Spain, got to go to Scotland.
Because the geosciences surround us every day, that gives us the opportunity to travel the world and constantly be surrounded by interesting and complex problems.
I mean, what other major out there requires you to take field trips, look at the scenery, and understand why that scenery is there? Who else gets to do that? It's geologists. I can't believe they pay me to do this.
We get paid to do what we love to do, which you really can't say about many jobs out there.
Doors are opening for you all across the country and all across the world. The opportunities are endless.
There is no shortage of jobs as long as you're driven, willing to work.
It's not just petroleum or water anymore. You know, you can go into politics area if you want to and work on policy around environment.
NASA's hiring geologists as well, and alternative energies is begging people to get involved. So it's a critical time to be a geoscientist.
We haven't even begun to recognize what's out there.
Just understanding the Earth, it's a direct ability to expand our knowledge and really educate society as a whole.
We have fun, but we help the world at the same time. And I think that's really the best of both worlds.
If you want to make an impact on someone's life and solve the problems that the world is facing right now, geology's it.